let's take a first look at the Broadway Limited F7. This guy, 503C. And remember, we had milled the frame. We milled the frame because if you remember that GP40 that had the problem where the trucks couldn't turn side to side due to the wires, that's why we did some milling on this. And we also used some jewelry wire. As you can see here in the front, we used some 26 gauge wire. It's copper wire. It's got a coating on it which you can scrape off with a knife, and underneath is copper wire. So here's how we wired it up. We cleaned him up, did his wheels and trucks, put some red lithium in there, and now everything turns nice and freely. This guy's a little tricky. You got to make sure the motor is put in exactly the right way, because if you don't, you'll know by the grinding sound it makes when the flywheels hit the frame. But does he work? Now here's another thing. These guys here, when you put them on the track, you need to make sure that you grab on and it's got to be seated. There's a little nub in there, and a lot of the problems come just by lifting them up. That little nub becomes unseated from the truck, and then that can give you a whole bunch of derailment problems. But let's give him a listen. Let's hear him. Let's see what he sounds like. I like that sound. Very nice. Very nice. We got what we want. Let's zoom in a little bit. Look down on him. As you can see, let's find my pointer here. As you can see, this jewelry wire here, because there's nothing above and there's no lights or anything, this is a super easy one to do. So this jewelry wire comes around, and I put heat shrink tube on it, the finest kind, and I didn't even heat it all the way up. Don't really have to, because it's not up here. Wait, let's look at that again. Okay, so I put the jewelry wire in, and I put heat shrink tubing on it. Over here, I did the same thing, but then I added 2 flexible pieces so that it turns just perfect, and it comes almost straight up, and then goes to these little flexible guys. So he turns perfect. Now I've already taken him over to bridge 15 just to check. He's ready. So I'm going to put him back together, and we're going to do a final reveal on this guy. But that's where we're at with him. And look how nice and neat and clean everything is. That's the way we like it. I always think neat and clean wiring does count for something, because it makes your maintenance really easy. So I'm going to put him together. We're going to get him ready for a final reveal. And then we got this guy, our B40 over here. He's all nice and neat. We'll go over him in just a minute here, because he's got some new technology in him. And we'll talk about that in just a minute.